guys, it's of course Alexandrus, and in today's video we will talk about DeFi and why it could be the token of the next altcoin season. Before we start with the video guys, as always I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it guys. So DeFi token itself is tradable on multiple exchanges, recently also launching a collaboration with Bybit to celebrate and share prize pool of 4 million DeFi tokens guys. But the token is way more than that. They are very bullish because of latest things that have been happening within its ecosystem, which we will break down in today's video. So also they offer you staking, they burn their tokens, they offer you referral, and also multiple airdrops and many events, which also make them pretty bullish. But going into the facts that are to discuss into this video, first things first guys, we have Donald Trump Jr, the real one, tweeting about DeFi and also following them on Twitter, as well as another very influential person who is Kevin O'Leary, a billionaire. You might know him for example from Shark Tank video program, so that's him. He was also attending and speaking at their DeFi conference, which is already over. It was February 26th and it's been very positive conference, really nice to check it out. I've been listening to it, so yeah, it's really cool, and they have some recaps also available on their Twitter, one of them being Donald Trump talking about the future of DeFi, which I'll play to you right now.
And how do you see that revolutionizing the DeFi space?
I think the vision is really to sort of blend DeFi and CeFi, or DeFi and trad finance together, make the two meet, make them one and the same. I mean, I think the reality is everyone wants sort of that liquidity, and not everyone sort of had access to it. And I sort of learned this sort of the hard way, really through politics over the last few years. I mean,
on top of that, DeFi is also a team of 50 people. They have been building for 5 years. Their product is also used by over 3 million users worldwide, and definitely will be used by more than that, because they offer superior features such as scanner and shield, which lets you secure your own crypto wallet, and it helps you to remove all the malicious applications that could affect your wallet's safety. So DeFi really helps with everything. They are the first antivirus in DeFi space. They are basically the first platform to offer superior tools for everything DeFi and crypto related guys. They are also backed by a huge amount of investors, including Coinbase, including Binance and OKX, which are the largest exchanges, which could also indicate that in future DeFi could potentially get listed on these exchanges, which would also be a huge information and huge bullish news that could affect the price as well. So this is really cool. Not only that guys, not only being the first, the OG DeFi project, their domain literally is D.Fi, as well as their Twitter handle, which is @DeFi. So that also helps them gain recognition when it comes to any sort of marketing, because whenever someone types DeFi into search because they, let's say, want to learn about the technology or even like other project, they still might stumble upon DeFi as DeFi project, because it has the popularity, it has the OG handle on Twitter and all of that. So these are maybe small things to you, but in the grand scheme of things it really matters a lot, and it's a superior marketing that they are pushing here guys. Also, they have a lot of testimonials from founders and directors of Binance, Polygon, Matter Labs, CK Sync, Phantom and more that have been using their API. So they've been trusted really by some big players in the crypto game, and you can see all the stuff and information here at D.Fi-API. So if you want to check those out, I will link everything down below in the description of this video guys. Okay, so this is really nice, and again the conference was attended by Donald Trump and Kevin O'Leary guys, which is huge. It speaks volumes. So getting back to Donald Trump Jr for a second, what is really cool is the fact that they have announced, this interesting partnership, Make DeFi Great Again. You can also see the banners here with Donald Trump Jr face and Kevin O'Leary face. You can see them on the website as well. So this could potentially mean that maybe that maybe it could be something related to Donald Trump Jr. And what is Donald Trump Jr. related to? Well, he's related to his own company, World Liberty Finance. And there is definitely a possibility that, considering that this is the first ever project that Donald Trump Jr. has tweeted about, there is some potential that, you know, he could add some DeFi token into the portfolio of his own company, which is, again, World Liberty Financial, guys. So I personally hold a significant bag of DeFi, and I will be updating you on my Telegram how it's going with the hot link. It is at Alexandrus here, so if you want to check my journey with this project, you can go ahead and check it out, and we can definitely stay updated here. And yeah, I will be making some updates videos potentially as well, especially if you guys will like this one. So that's what I'm thinking to do. But yeah, it has crazy potential. You know, this collaboration, okay, that they announced, as you can see, it's 20th March, okay, so it's in 2 weeks. And we can speculate what this could be, right? But it could be something related to Donald Trump Jr. again, because he supports this project, okay? So they are also backed by Binance, by Coinbase, by OKX, all the largest exchanges, guys, okay? So I'm very bullish on this. I'm not gonna lie, this is some major factor for me. So wait until other people find out about it. This could be absolutely crazy. And we can speculate what this collaboration or this announcement that they will push in 2 weeks might be, but if it's something related to World Liberty Financial, then this could be insane. So we have to wait and see what it is, but there is some room for possibility that it could be related to this. So let's stay up to date, guys. Let's also join their Telegram so we can be all, again, up to date. And this will be it from me for today's video, guys. If you are interested in this token, then the link will be down below in the description of this video. And yeah, it's available on multiple exchanges, so it's easy to obtain, guys. Let me know in the comment section what is your take on this token, what do you think personally, and let's engage in a nice discussion in the comment section down below. So this will be it from me for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe and comment, and see you guys in the next videos coming out soon.